Hi, well done.
Thank you.
Okay. Hi, friends. This girl, she was doing a simple multiplication here. That is, she is studying in class 3. It's a conventional method. Okay. Let us check is there any shortcut method or quick method to do this multiplication? See, if the students are getting some tricks, it will be very easy for them to easy for them for fast and quick calculations. So some simple techniques are there. In our today's class, we are going to discuss some such good techniques or quick tricks for fast calculation. These tricks are mentioned in Vedic mathematics. See here, she is multiplied a two-digit number by 11, and there 1 2 3 steps she has taken for completing this multiplication, and the time also little bit or little time is also required. So we are going to discuss to multiply any we are going to discuss to multiply a two-digit number by 11. There is a very easy technique or trick for the multiplication of a two-digit number by 11 that we are going to discuss. See here, the same multiplication let us take. That is here 32 into 11. So to write its answer or to write its product, the product is, see look here, starting by the same number 3 and end with the same number 2. So to find the product, we first write 3 itself, okay, then ends with the same number 2. Now what we are going to do is that we add these two digits. That is 3 plus 2. What is 3 plus 2? 5. That 5 we write in between these two digits. So the answer is now 352. A very simple method. It's very interesting. It will be very interesting for this school going students, not only this small, for even elders it will be interesting, and it will be helpful for fast and easy calculations. So this is the technique we are going to discuss today, that is to multiply a two-digit number by 11. Okay, let us see. Okay, so some quick tricks. Today we are going to discuss the first quick trick, that is multiplication of a two-digit number by 11. Here let us take a two-digit number 53. Then to get the answer or to get the product, here first we write the 5 itself. That is, the product start with the first number and end with this number itself, 3, and with 3 itself. Now to get the middle number, we simply add these two digits. That is 53 we are given. So 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. This is the answer. Let us check another one. 72 into 11. 72 into 11. That is simple. 7 start but with 7. 7 plus 2, 9. Then n by 2. 792. Very simple. If you are doing in the conventional method, it will take 3 or 4 steps and time also. So here we get very fast and quick. Let us consider one more. 43 into 11. So 4 then 7 3. 4 plus 3 is 7, then 3, 43. Now let us consider another number. 85 into 11. 85 into 11. So here a small technique we have to use. So here the number 8 plus 5 by 8, then n with 5. 8 plus 5 is what? 13. For that 13 we write 3, don't write 13, it's wrong. So it is we write 8, then end with 5. It's sum 13. For the 13, 3 we write in the middle. Then 1 carry figure is there. That carry figure we carry along with this 8. So the answer is 935. 935. Let us check some more examples. 67 into 11. Answer, see, 6, then 6 plus 7, 13, 1, and with 7. That is 737 is the answer. What about 65 into 11? 65 into 11. So this answer is 5, 6 plus 5, 11. So 1 we write, then 6, then that carry figure 1, so 715. So if you are practicing little more, this will be with by writing this question itself, you will get the answer. So practice more such questions. Okay. Now let us think of, is it applicable for 3-digit numbers, or can we apply this trick or this sutra for a 3-digit number? Of course, let us apply this trick for a 3-digit number also. Let us see how. So let us check, is it applicable for a 3-digit number? Let us consider this example, 314. How many digits are there? 3 digits into 11. So in this case also, the numbers start with the same number 3. This 3 then ends with the same number 4. Now we add these two numbers. These two numbers we add. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. That 5 we write in the tens place position. Then next we add these two numbers. That is, this sum we write here. Then 3 plus 1, 4 in hundreds place. So the product is 3454. Okay, very simple for, so it's applicable for 3-digit numbers also. But first then the product or the answer start with the same number 3 and ends with the same number 4. Then we add them in pairs. That is the 1 4, that is its sum we write in the tens place position, and the second pair 3 and 1, its sum we write in the hundreds place position. Now let us check one more examples. Here same 6, then end with 8, then add them 2 plus 8, that we have 2 plus 8, 10. So don't write 10. In the case of 2 digits we have seen there, instead of writing 10 we write the 0, then 1 carry over or carry figure is 1 here. Then 6 plus 2, what is 6 plus 2? 8, that 8 plus this one 9. So the answer is what? 6,908. So if any carry figure is there, that we have to write it. So for any 3-digit number also, this technique is very suitable and applicable. So you have to practice more questions, then within fractions of seconds you will get the answer. Practice more questions. Okay, these are the techniques. So if you like this technique, don't forget to subscribe our channel Edu M Square.